Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Teague in Raleigh, North Carolina, your source for everything Toyota. I'm going to show you what the 2019 Corolla hatchback looks like, all lit up at nighttime. The buttons, the controls, the headlights, the taillights. Let's check it out. All right then, so this is the 2019 Corolla hatchback. Let's check out these LED headlights with daytime running lights. Remember, it has the auto high beams, so it switches between high beams and low beams based on if there's a car coming at you or not, courtesy of Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Take a tour around the side. Check out the LED taillights. Here's the interior. I have the dome lights on right now so we can see the buttons and controls a little bit easier. I'll show you them off in just a minute. I think it's such a well laid out interior. Sometimes people have questions about the raised up multimedia Entune screen, but I think it's actually nice. Once you get used to it, it's not a distraction in the least. It's actually a compliment to what you do. The SE comes with a two-tone fabric sport interior. There's your auto high beams. Then shut this. Get to the nitty-gritty of nighttime display. And then we can see our multi-information display goes across. You can see trip information, safety features, how far till you run out of gasoline, and along with digital speed. Then we have cruise control now on the steering wheel, which is much easier, less distractions, lane departure alert, radar cruise control, digital temperature controls, electronic parking brake with brake hold, intelligent manual transmission, and then we've got our Entune radio system, touch screen, very easy to use. And we'll also throw in pricing information from the window sticker, gas mileage, standard features from the factory, options, there are no options from the factory, options at the regional port, and then this has a price of $21,400. Very reasonable for the hatchback market. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.